Hey, welcome back to Malamak Art. So here's some watercolors from Australia given to me by Allison. On the left side, I'm swatching the Art Spectrum, and on the right is the Derivan. And I'm going to just sort of quickly go through how I tag a portrait without a sketch. And so I try to find a neutral color for a skin tone to sketch out the face, and I'll be sort of using the cooler tones to flesh out more of the shadows. So I do find the shadows first, and then I sort of try to warm up the skin, and then I just continue to go layer and layer and layer, and I let it dry in between, and I just keep finding more shadows and evening out the rest of the portrait as I go. So if I go for a shadow in the face, I try to go ahead and find it in the body as well. And that's really what I do. I just keep going and going. And I think this was sort of 3 separate sessions. And that's basically how I go about my portraits. I just keep layering and layering. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you in the next one.